On top inside Edo today, UN don ready Gidigba to support Obaseki plan unto how e take dey fight human trafficking as dem salute am join. For United Nations, the section wey be say dem sidon Gidigba on top women empowerment wey dem dey call UN Women don give their support to Edo State government policy wey dey fight for women and girls and the plans wey Governor Godwin Obaseki administration dey use to take stop and comot human trafficking katakata for Edo State. Country representative for Naija UN Women Comfort Lamti tok dis one to governor for courtesy visit wey dem carry come government house of Benin City. Lamti tok say domestication of violence against persons (VAP) law wey Edo State government do na beta thing as dis one go help protect women and girls well for the state. Dis domestication of violence against persons law na law wey Edo State government put for ground wey no dey allow suffer or hand dey meet women and girls for Edo State. She tok say UN Women dey work with Italian government to make sure say the policy to protect women and girls go hold ground for Naija, especially as Naija dey chook eye put for the wahala wey dem get on top human trafficking. She tok say UN Women go dey engage men and traditional rulers wey dey Edo State so that dem go fit carry gender equality go far. Lamti yarn say the collabo wey dey between Edo State government and UN Women na to support policy reviews, formulation and capacity building, and dem ready to talk with civil society organizations and non-governmental organizations so that dem go fit throway body put on top dis ogbonge work wey dey shele for Edo State. Governor come talk say the partnership with UN Women and Edo State government on top capacity building makes sense because im administration don dey arrange plans to fight against human trafficking and say government don put plans for ground on top gender equality and wetin remain na to chook eye put well make e for work. Obaseki say dem don already dey do check on top women wey dey work for ministries, departments and agencies wey be MDAs so that dem go fit throway body put on top gender equality and say dem don already dey arrange businesses wey na women dey run dem so that dem go fit follow for dis gender equality. Governor tok say Edo State dey work on top plenty plan to take remove human trafficking for the state. Na so we see dis ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say United Nations don ready Gidigba to support Obaseki plan on top how im take dey deal with human trafficking. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge update wey just reach una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. To dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.